who have the lead here. Zaira College once again in a threatening area. Zaira College who has equal term things here.
Zaira College against St. Joseph's College in the second semi-final. Zaira College, the starting 11: Ahmad Sharif, Mohammad Abdullah, Akil Anis, Farik Ahmad, M. Makeen, Mufassal Ziad, M. Shahil. For St. Joseph's College, M. Andrew, Jane Henry, P.D. Vishmit, M.B. Abinash. Both their fathers have represented Sri Lanka. Fazul Rahman and Mohammad Amanullah.
Twisting and turning inside the box. Zaira College. Brilliant save, you can say, from indeed showing a lot of composure. And
Akil Amanullah with an opportunity for Zaira. Once again, the All-Ireland National Championship, Reshwan. They have been to semi-finals almost every time.
right, doing well.
Mufassal Ziad in action for Zaira.
Eric Colombo. As the rain gets a bit more heavier. Kahatawatta goes over the ball. A free kick from range, and they're on.
Beautiful free kick. Farik Ahmad with the free kick. And an opportunity goes begging.
Not the best of opportunities in front of goal on that occasion. Attack after attack for Zaira College. Shot from range, and a brilliant save from Nikhil Henry to deny Zaira College a massive save in the contest of the game.
Super. Once again,
not able to
Zaira with
the medics come out.
Shail, one of the highest goal scorers of the tournament, in action for Zaira. Akil Amanullah misses it. Zaira, Shail in action with 8 goals in the tournament.
Pushed back well by St. Joseph's. Referee whistles for half time here at Sid Lake Football Complex for the second semi-final. Your half-time score confirmation. Both teams yet to break the deadlock. We'll kick things off from right to left on your screens.
Corner kick quickly taken by Zaira.
Deflected off the Josephine defender to win themselves a throw-in. As we speak, Zaira College.
Once again,
a good opportunity, Akil, for Zaira College. As we speak, Mark Andrew. St. Joseph's down at the left wing. Harish goes to that slide tackle. As Harish will be booked for St. Joseph's. St. Joseph's. Katagawadda gives it out to Hansen. Finds him off well. Katagawadda with the St. Joseph's are still playing with just the 10 men on the park. 10 boys rather. There's a ball beautifully laid to that area. And a shot from range. St. Joseph's College have broken the deadlock in the 63rd minute. It is Harris who has broken the deadlock. As you see the goal once again. It all started from that whip in from youngster Hansen down that right wing. And a calm and composed finish down the left wing, left bottom rather. St. Joseph's College have a lead which was unexpected, you could say. Zaira College looked the more threatening side to go through as Nikhil Henry is first to it. The ball to the box as Balasuriya puts this one as Hansen takes his time but
needs a good delivery. towards the far post. Headed out. And an unnecessary one. Brilliant play.
The Zaira College crowd as well, making their presence felt here.
Fariq Ahmed's advantage, but it will be Mufassal Ziad who takes it, but straight at the wall. Shot on the volley.
The goal lead can't bog down as Zaira College. Another opportunity gone down begging. They'll have to keep their cool here. They are the team who have the lead here. Zaira College once again in a threatening area. There's Zaira College who has equal term things here. Against a run of play, St. Joseph's have conceded. Zaira College, you can never write them off. As City League has erupted. Draw out in clock here. Zaira College now dribbling his way into the penalty area. Zaira College with the corner kick duties. Once again, not the best of corners. Zaira College and St. Joseph's College will battle it out via a penalty shootout to possibly register themselves.
He shoots. Ziad against Henry. Shoots. Same place. And it's saved.
Pressure on St. Joseph's as Abdulaziz converts his.
Saldin steps up, shoots. To the bottom corner. To the left or to the right. He goes to the left. Kahata Gahawat shoots. Off the bar. A thumping strike.
And it's Zaira College who come from behind in the game in regular time. In the 87th minute, equalizes things with St. Joseph's and comprehensively beating St. Joseph's in the penalty shootout. 4 goals to 2 as Zaira College will play that final on Thursday night under the lights at Racecourse. A splendid comeback, a comeback to remember for Zaira College. You can never write them off in the game of football. A Maradona classic here at the City League Football Complex. 2 schools just across the road. Plays out a brilliant game of football.